Good morning to all of us. Today, we have this opening of bids for civil works projects. But before going further, I will first call this procurement activity to order. So, there are 3 civil works projects to be bid out today. With project number 1, contract ID of 24PF0066, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of roads with slip, slope collapse, and landslide secondary roads, Baguio, Bontoc Road. 2 kilometer KO 322 plus 860, 2 kilometer KO 323 plus 007, number 1. So, as per result of the eligibility check on this particular project, participated only by Effler Construction and Enterprise. So, it appears that Effler Construction and Enterprise passed all the aspects, whether technical, financial, or legal aspect of this project to be bid out. So, we will now open the bid submitted by Effler Construction and Enterprise. So, I will pass the mic to Marlon to scrutinize the completeness of the requirements in the technical envelope of the bid.
Okay. Thank you. So let's now open the bid of Effler Construction. So for the technical component, bulk bonded, all in capital letters with lift tag.
For copy 2, the same.
So since the contractor passed the electronic eligibility, so let's go now directly to the bid security. Lift tag, it's so bid security is in the form of the bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Agayo. Next is the contractor's organizational chart. Next is the list of contractors' personnel proposed to be assigned in the contract. The attached the personnel's biodata. Another attachment is key personnel certificate of employment and commitment to work in the contract. Again notarized by the same lawyer, Attorney Agayo. Then attached here is the accreditation of materials engineer, valid until July 13, 2025. Next is the list of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. For owned, various. For lease, none. And under purchase agreement, none. Attached here is the deed of absolute sale and the picture of equipment, the ORCR of 1 unit dump truck. Again, another attachment, ORCR of transit mixer. Another one, ORCR of mid dump truck with boom. And then another attachment, delivery receipt of 1 unit used Japan road roller. And attached pictures. War of officer. And then list of minimum testing equipment. And then the omnibus sworn statement. Updated. And then the Philippine bidding documents.
Okay, having passed the requirements, the technical envelope, let's now proceed to open the financial component of the bid. Marlon, continue.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. So for the financial component, book bounded, partially capitalized with ear tag. So let's now scrutinize the financial component. So the table of contents. And then we have here the bid form. Then the bill of quantities. And then the detailed estimates. And the summary of materials, labor rates, and equipment rental rates used in the coming up with the bid. And then the cash flow by quarter, representing calendars of 86 calendar days.
first again the requirements and the financial component of the bid. Let's take a look on its bid offered.
So the bid offered is 4,212,502 in 88 centavos only, with no discount offered. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, that is the bid offered by Construction and Enterprise, and being a lone bidder is subject to bid evaluation and post qualification. So let's now go to the second project, which is the 24PF 0072, construction completion of multipurpose building in Barangay Buguias, Benguet. So again, there is only one participating bidder in this project, Construction and Enterprise, and the result of the eligibility check, Construction Enterprise passed all the technical, financial, and legal aspect. So we will now open the bid submitted by Construction and Enterprise for this particular project, 24PF 0072. So Marlon, continue to scrutinize the document attached in the technical and financial component of the bid.
So for the technical component of the bid, bulk bounded, partially capitalized with the lift tag.
For copy 1, the same.
So again, the contractor passed the electronic eligibility check. So let's go now directly to the bid security. So bid security is in the form of bid securing declaration. Again, notarized by the same lawyers, Attorney Agayo. Next is the list of contractors' personnel proposed to be assigned in the contract. Then the organizational chart. With the attached key personnel's biodata, and then that's key personnel's certificate of employment and commitment to work in the contract. This is notarized by the same lawyer, Attorney Agayo. Again, the is attached certificate of materials engineer, which is valid until July 13, 2025. Next is the list of contractors' major construction in laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. It is owned is various, under lease none, and under purchase agreement none. With attachment of ORCR for 1 unit dump truck. With the attached picture of the unit. Another one is ORCR of dump truck. Another one is ORCR of utility vehicle. Another one is official receipt of minimum equipment. Another one cash invoice for 1 sheet cutting outfit in 1 lot each frame. Attached also is the list of minimum testing equipment. And OR for testing equipment, underground material testing equipment and services. Next is the omnibus form statement. Updated. Again notarized by the same lawyer, Attorney Agayo, and in the copy of Philippine bidding documents.
So, having passed the technical component of the bid, we'll now proceed to open its financial component. Marlon.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Okay, so for the original financial component, book bounded, partially capitalized, and with lift tag.
For copy 1, the same.
So it's now scrutinized the financial component. That's the table of contents, and then the bid form, and the bill of quantities, and summary of bill of quantities, and then the detailed estimates. Then the summary of labor rates, materials, and equipment rental used in coming up with the bid. And then next is the cash flow by quarter, representing 140 calendar days.
Having passed again the financial component of the bid, let's take a look on its bid offered. If how much?
So, the bid offered is 3,954,656 only, with no discount 10%.
Thank you, Marlon. So that is the bid offered by Leffler Construction and Enterprise, and is subject to bid evaluation and post qualification. So we will now go to the third project, 24 PF 0074. Rehabilitation, major repair of permanent bridges, Chicao Bridge along Governor Bado Dangwa National Road. Again, basing from the electronic eligibility check, there is only one bidder who intend in this project, Effler Construction and Enterprise. The result of the electronic eligibility check, it appears that Effler Construction and Enterprise passed all the aspect of this eligibility check in the technical, financial, and legal aspect. So we will now open the bid submitted by Effler Construction and Enterprise. Marlon, continue to scrutinize the technical and financial component of the bid.
So for the original technical component, box bounded, partially capitalized, and with lift tag.
For copy 1, the same.
So again, the contractor passed the electronic eligibility check. So we'll now go directly to the bid security. Under lift tag, so the bid security is in the form of bid securing declaration and notarized by Attorney Agayo. And next is the list of contractors' personnel proposed to be assigned in the contract. And next is the contractors' organizational chart for the contract. That here are the key personnel's biodata, and then the key personnel's certificate of employment and commitment to work in the contract, notarized by Attorney Agayo. Next is the materials accreditation. It is valid until July 13, 2025. And next is the list of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract. It is owned, various, lease, none, and under purchase agreement, none. Attachment are deed of sale, which is in between Amor B. Garcia and the contractor for the 1 unit of backhoe. Another one is ORCR for 1 unit dump truck. Another one is the ORCR for mixer truck. Another ORCR for mini dump truck with attached pictures. Another ORCR for rebuild truck. Rebuild truck series dump. And cash invoice for 2-sheet bagger mixer, 1-sheet bar cutter and 1-sheet bar binder. That also is the list of minimum testing equipment with attached OR under grand material testing equipment and services. The next is the omnibus sworn statement, updated, then again notarized by the same lawyer, Attorney Agayo, and then the copy of Philippine bidding documents.
Passed. Okay, let's now open the financial component of Reconstruction and Enterprise. Marlon?
Okay, Mr. Chair. So for the original financial component, book bounded, partially capitalized and with lift tag.
Same with copy 1.
So now scrutinize the financial document. Here the table of contents, the bid form, and then the bill of quantities, and summary of bid prices. The detailed estimates, and then the summary of labor rates, equipment, materials cost used in coming up with the bid. And next is the cash flow by quarter, representing 45 calendar days.
Okay, having passed the financial component of the bid, let's have a look on the bid submitted.
Okay, so the bid offered is 1,465,415 pesos and 34 centavos. 1,465,415.34 with no discount offered. Variance is negative 0.31%.
Okay, thank you, Marlon. That is the bid offered by Reconstruction and Enterprise. And being a lone bidder again, Reconstruction and Enterprise is subject to bid evaluation and post-qualification. So before we adjourn, are there any comments from the Bids and Award Committee?
None, Mr.
None. Okay. Any motion to adjourn this procurement activity?
Mr. Chairman, since there are no more matters to be discussed, I move that this procurement activities be adjourned.
Okay. It has been moved and seconded. So the procurement activity today is hereby adjourned. Thank you to all.